Hello, this is Massimo. Just a little note about the soybean meal future. First of all, we notice that our futures market matrix is giving us a signal. Currently, soybean meal, which is in an uptrend, totaled -5. It means that the uptrend is weakening and it could reverse soon. So let's have a look to the chart, and if we look at the chart, we see that soybean meal currently approaching a resistance level, and if we check the chart under the point of view of volume spread analysis, we notice that first we had a bullish climax, a bar with a very strong volume and very wide spread on the 30th of June, and then we had an upthrust Friday. Friday we had was the report which I'm not able to comment. I'm not expert enough to comment. But if we look at this chart, we can see that market makers were betting about a bearish report, or at least, if not a bearish report, a not bullish enough report. So Friday they marked up the price probably to catch some stops, and then marked it down again, forming a sort of a doji shooting star or something like that. Today the market is very uncertain, but I cannot see any bullish action in this market right now. So let's check what's happening in the COT report, what the COT report is saying to us about this market. And if we look at the commercials action momentum, we notice that during the last 3 weeks they sold this market very violently. We can see these three. This is a chart offered by Stephen Breeze, and these three dark histogram bars mean that they are violently selling this market. We notice the same thing in a normal 3 years COT index chart. We can see commercials are blue, and we can see how they sold soybean meal during the last 5 weeks. So I think this market could be ripe to get down. Let's check the seasonality. Okay, here we are. This is I think it's okay. 5 years of seasonality. We think we are approaching a little top, and then we should have a correction. This is in the 5 years. Let's check the 15 years seasonality. Okay, the 15-year seasonality seems to be more definitely bearish for the next weeks. So seasonality is not confirming the possibility of a bearish reversal, but I think it's not denying it anyway. Let's add that currently the put-call ratio is about parity, is about 1, so it is not bullish nor bearish, and I think that could confirm our view that the rally could be at an end. Okay, that's all. Time will tell. Ciao ciao from us.